In this short tutorial video, I am going to show you how to connect JVZoo to your Review Trust account. First, log into your Review Trust account. In the sidebar menu, click on the Account Settings. Scroll down below into the Shopping Cart section and click Add New Account. On the Vendor drop-down, choose JVZoo. Enter a name for the account. To get the value for the secret key, log into your JVZoo account. On Sidebar, click My Account and click Account Details. Click on the Seller Settings. Look for the JVZoo IPN secret key. If there is a value beside it, copy the value and that is your API. If not, create a new one. This account does not have the key yet, so let's create a new one. Click on Edit Information. Click on Generate New. Copy the generated code. Click on Save Information. Go back to Review Trust and paste the copied code into the secret key field. And click Save. An API URL will be generated for your shopping cart account. Copy the API URL and go back to your JVZoo account. On the sidebar, click on Sellers. Click on Sellers Dashboard. Look for the product you wanted to connect to Review Trust and click on Edit. On the Edit Product page, click on the Advanced tab. Click on the Add an External Program Integration. Paste the API URL from Review Trust into the JVZoo IPN URL field. Click Save Product. Let's go back to the Advanced tab to make sure the changes has been saved. Now go back to Review Trust to create a product campaign. Enter the required information. On the Shopping Cart drop-down field, select JVZoo. This drop-down shows all your JVZoo accounts. Select the account you created earlier and continue creating the campaign, and you are done.